Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous beautiful Bollywood actress Madhuri Dixit. So today I edit her song and the song name is Choli Ke Piche Kya Hai, and I did this video with 4K 60 fps in vertical frame and I covering all angle of Madhuri Dixit in this video. So Choli Ke Piche Kya Hai is a classical Bollywood song and from the 1993 film Khalnayak, starring Madhuri Dixit and Sanjay Dutt. The song, catchy melody and memorable lyrics have made it a staple of Indian popular culture, and its impact can still be felt to the song blend of traditional and modern element has made it a timeless classic, and its influence can be seen many other Bollywood song and music videos. The song has made lasting impact on Indian popular culture with its catchy melody and memorable lyrics, making it a staple at parties and celebrations. The song influence can be seen in my other Bollywood songs and music videos and continues to be widely refreshed and parodied. Today, the song's impact on Indian popular culture and individual, and it's remained one of the most beloved and iconic Bollywood song of all the time. Madhuri Dixit's performance in the song is widely regarded as one of the most memorable aspects of the film. Her dancing skills and charisma bringing the song to left, making it a standout track in the movie. Madhuri Dixit's ability to convey emotion and sensuality through her dance moves is impressive, and her performance has been praised by many. Her chemistry and with Sanjay Dutt is also noteworthy, and their on-screen interaction add to the song allure. The song's lyrics and music video have been subject to the controversy, with the critics accusing with the song objectifying women. The lyrics penned by Anand Bakshi have been interpreted in different ways, with some viewing them the suggestive and explicit. However, others have argued that the song is celebrations of feminine mystique and allure, and the lyrics are meant to be playful and flirtatious rather than derogatory. The controversy surrounding the song has only added its notoriety, and it remained a topic of debate among scholars and critics. Despite the controversy surrounding the song, it remained beloved classic among many Bollywood fans. Its catchy melody and memorable lyrics have been made a staple of Indian popular culture, and it continues to be widely played and enjoyed today. The song's influence can be seen in many other Bollywood song and music video, and it continues to be benchmark of Bollywood songs. The song legacy is a testament to the power of music to shape cultural and influence society. The song impact on Indian cinema can be seen in its influence on future Bollywood song and music videos. Its catchy melody and memorable lyrics have made it a benchmark of Bollywood song, and it continues to widely reference and parodied today. The song's success has also paved the way of the Bollywood songs. The blend of traditional and modern elements, the song influence can be seen in many other Bollywood films, and it remains one of the most iconic beloved Bollywood song all the time. From the feminist perspective, the song's lyrics and music video can be seen the both empowering and objectifying, while the song portrayal of movement can be viewed as objectifying. It can be also urged. The song is celebrations of feminine, mystique and earlier. The song impact on feminist color discourse in Indians is complex and multifaceted and continues to be debated among scholars and critics. Some argue that the song portrayal of women is a reflection of the societal attitudes of the time, while others see it as progressive and improving representations of women. In conclusions, चोली के पीछे क्या है is complex and multifaceted song that has had a lasting impact on Indian popular culture. While its lyrics and music video have been subject to interpretations and controversy, the songs remain beloved classic among many Bollywood fans. Its catchy melody and memorable lyrics have made it a staple of Indian popular culture, and it continues to be widely played and enjoyable today. The song legacy lasting is a testament to the power of music and shape cultural influence society. चोली के पीछे क्या है is a song that continues to be widely enjoyed and debated, and its impact on Indian popular culture and undeniable. Whether you love it, hate it, or the song influence on Bollywood and Indian popular culture, sometimes that cannot be ignored. The song impact on future generation of music lover is also worth considering, as it continues to inspire new interpretations and reinterpretations. The song impact on future generation of the music lovers is also significant. Its catchy melody and memorable lyrics have made it a song that continues to be widely enjoyed and referenced. Today, the song's influence can be seen in my other Bollywood songs and music videos, and it continues to be a benchmark for Bollywood songs. The song's legacy is a testament to the power of music and transcend time, generation, and its impact on Indian popular. So if you are enjoyed this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.